Good morning all, Mary here, and today, guess what? It is now March, and I am so happy because I can start decorating for spring now. That's kind of my timeline. I wait until at least March 1st to start my, take down the winter decorating and start the spring. So today I'm going to do my first little project. Now, I am participating in a collaboration or a challenge by that is being hosted by Denise at This and That with Denise Jordan. And for this challenge, she has some requirements. And they are to use a tray, and I'm going to use my 3-tiered tray here. And we have to use some florals, we have to use some kind of figure, a bird or a rabbit, and then we also need to use words somewhere in our vignette. And I'm going to start on that this morning and show you my final project. I'm gonna cut away here and take my camera and show you some of the elements that I might use in my vignette, and then we'll get started. When I'm starting on a decorating project, I like to get out some of the things that I might use. So here I have some florals. I think I might have forgotten to mention that we must use florals in our vignette. And I have a picture here, an enamelware picture. I have some figures. I have a table runner that I might use because I'm actually going to be doing this on my kitchen island. And right here where we're looking, I have one little sign, a candlestick, and then my 3-tiered tray right here. So let's get started and we'll come back and see how I've been putting this together. Here you can see my 3-tiered tray partially completed, and it looks pretty nice here from this angle in my kitchen, but I really wanted to look wonderful from all sides because of course people will be walking around, and you can see on the back side here I do have some holes. So I'm going to try to rectify that, add some more, and make this really spectacular. Here is my completed kitchen spring vignette. With my 3-tiered tray, and I thought I'd give you a little tour of what I've included. I have a little birdhouse down here on the bottom of the tray with lots of florals, and then here I have a small little tin, this white tin with flowers, white roses in it, and then coming around this side you can see one of my birds. And let's look up here on the top. I almost forgot to include this little willow tree figure that is standing on the top tier. And then coming around here, you can see a little white bird peeking out through all of the greenery right here. Come on out, little bird. And then, let's see if I can make that more visible. And then coming down here we have more florals and a cute little lamb saying hello to us. And going up to the top you can see all of this greenery that I placed on the top tier. And then down here on this side I have a little sign that says Simply Blessed, which I do feel very blessed by the Lord. And then here you can see again the greenery that is part of that top tier. And I also added in, if you remember, I mentioned that I had some holes here that were looking empty. So I added some lamb's ears and the little lamb, and then my sign right there. So that is my completed tier tray. And let me give you a quick look at how it will be when I have everything added. I always have trouble just leaving things, and I wanted to add a bit more to this vignette. And so I added this little bunny that I've had for many years. I bought it at Mervyn's store when they were still here in Colorado. And then I added this candle with a candle ring on it with pink flowers, which I think looks really nice with the purple in the garland that I used and some of the other florals on the tray. And I just think this looks very spring-like and very fresh and happy for our spring season. So thanks again to Denise for hosting this challenge. And also take a look, I'll put the playlist for everyone who is participating in the challenge in my comments below, or yes, the comment area, so that you could check out all the other creators and what they have done. I'm sure there's going to be some beautiful vignettes. And I hope this inspired you, and happy March.